Welcome back. Okay, what we want to do now, we wanted to be able to pull through the product category into our data. So here we only have a numeric product category, but we were given the categories by the business and they want us to be able to pull through the actual text for these categories. So what we're going to look at here is looking at a column from example, this option here. We haven't looked at that yet. So if we use the drop down, we can use from selection. So I've selected my product category. And you can see what it's done here. It's put the product category column that we selected here, and it's given us a little empty table here where we can type values in. So from our info we got from the business, 3 would be gardening, 2 would be furniture, and 1 would be clothing. So we've got gardening, furniture, and clothing. So 3, we double click here next to 3, and we can type in gardening. Here's 3. You wouldn't do this if you had a million different options, but if you only have a few, I'm just showing you how this functionality works. We're choosing gardening. Now you can see it's automatically populated gardening through the entire data set. But for number 2, we actually want it to be furniture. So instead of gardening, we double click and we type in furniture. Click on the next one. Now you can see it's been clever enough to go through and put gardening next to every 3 and furniture next to every 2, but we haven't had a 1 ID yet, so it's put a null there. It's not sure what it should do with 1. And we know that 1 is clothing, so we type in clothing. We click down and it's gone through and it's populated all of them. So what this does, you put in what you want and it'll logically try and figure out the pattern and populate all your data for you. So we're happy with this. We can just click OK, and you can see the statement that it created at the top here. We click OK. It goes and applies that to all of our data, and we now have the product category. So let's call it product category. I left a space in between because over here we have product category already with no space. So if we didn't put a space, it would have said that you already had used that name. I'll put a space in between. So now we have our product category in our data. So in our next video, we're just going to clean up this data set, and then we are going to merge this data set with the salespeople. So we're going to pull through the actual salesperson that sold each line item here. I'll see you in the next video. Thank you.